Father, peace tayo. Pastor, peace tayo.
The Philippines ramping up financial inclusion efforts.
How the church uses its members' money.
Araw-araw may misa. Koleksyon abot ng bilyon.
Simbahan ang may mandate. Ang tanong, nagagawa ba nila? May kakayahan ba sila? Apparently, wala. Because we are morally corrupt. We are morally bankrupt when it comes to corruption. Alam naman natin na may mga donors na malalaki yung simbahan. Saan napupunta yung pera? Saan napupunta yung pera?
The members of the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines support the call of its social arm for a mining moratorium.
Hindi ko nilalahat ha. Again, maraming matitinong pare, maraming matitinong pastor, maraming matitinong imam. Pero alam naman natin, marami rin yung biglang nagkakaroon na ng Rolex, di ba? Hindi lang naman yung mga congressman may Rolex tsaka mga negosyante, di ba? May mga properties, may mga abroad, di ba? May mga abroad si Father. What do we do as ordinary people? So what can the normal citizens or, constituents do? Number one, write your father. Write to your father, write to the pastors, write to the leadership. Organize yourself. Father, pastor, pwede ba meron tayong accounting dito para mag-lead tayo by example sa gobyerno at sa mga businessman, di ba? Pwede yun Ngayon kung tumanggi, tanong natin, ba't ayaw nyo? Ba't ayaw nyo? May tinatago, father, pastor? Wag ganun, wag ganun. How can they extract transparency and accountability to government, businesses, and other pillars of society if they themselves don't have it? Hindi ko iniisa lang yung Roman Catholic Church, pero sila yung pinakamatagal at pinaka-powerful. Pero this applies not only to the Roman Catholic Church, but born-again institutions, kibuloys of the world, lahat. You want change to happen in our society, let's ask to be upright and account for what we give them. Tama lang yun Diba? So that when they do that, when our spiritual institutions, our spiritual leaders do that, are financially accountable, transparent, then they will have the moral ascendancy, then they will have the potency to really speak into the hearts of their constituents who occupy the positions of power and money. But up until that doesn't happen, paulit-ulit lang at palaki lang ng palaki yung nananakaw sa atin at palaki lang ng palaki yung problema.